Most people think planks are just an ab exercise or something you hold for as long as possible and then forget about. But what really happens if you plank every single day goes far beyond your core. If you want a stronger body, better posture, and a workout habit that actually sticks, stay with me. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how planking every day can change your body and how to do it the right way. I am your coach, and I help people build strong, balanced bodies using simple and effective training methods. Today, we are breaking down what happens if you plank every day and how to turn this one exercise into a total body benefit. This video is perfect for beginners to intermediate fitness levels. You do not need any equipment, just a little floor space and consistency. Intensity can be adjusted for any level, and I will share easier and harder options as we go. Make sure you stay until the end, because I will also explain how to plank daily without overtraining or pain. Warm-up. Even though planks look simple, your body still needs to warm up. Start by gently moving your shoulders, hips, and spine. Take a few deep breaths and activate your core by tightening your stomach slightly while standing or kneeling. This prepares your muscles and joints to support your body weight. A short warm-up helps you plank with better form and less strain. Upper body engagement. When you plank, your shoulders, arms, chest, and upper back are all working. Your arms support your weight and your shoulders stabilize your body. Beginners can plank on their knees or against a bench or wall. Intermediate levels can hold a full plank on the floor. Over time, your upper body becomes stronger and more stable, improving posture and shoulder health. Lower body activation. Your legs are active during a plank, even if it does not feel obvious at first. Your glutes, thighs, and calves tighten to keep your body in a straight line. Focus on squeezing your glutes gently and pressing through your toes. Beginners can shorten the hold time. Advanced levels can add leg lifts or longer holds. Daily planking improves lower body stability and balance. Core strength. This is where planks truly shine. Your core works non-stop to keep your spine supported. Your abs, lower back, and deep stabilizing muscles all activate together. Instead of moving, you are learning to control and resist movement. This builds real-world core strength that supports daily activities, other workouts, and reduces lower back discomfort. Full body conditioning. Holding a plank raises your heart rate more than most people expect. When done consistently, planking becomes a form of low-impact conditioning. Short holds with good form are better than long holds with poor form. Beginners can plank for short intervals. Intermediate levels can increase time or add movement. This builds endurance without stressing your joints. The real daily change. Here's where planking every day makes the biggest difference. You develop body awareness and discipline. You start to feel stronger, more stable, and more confident in your movement. Your posture improves, your core feels engaged throughout the day, and other exercises become easier. Daily planking isn't about how long you hold it. It's about showing up consistently and moving with control. After your plank, gently stretch your shoulders, hips, and lower back. Take slow breaths and relax your body. By planking every day, you worked your core, upper body, lower body, and posture muscles all at once. This simple habit can improve strength, stability, and confidence when done with good form and recovery. If this video helped you understand what really happens when you plank every day, make sure to like the video so others can find it. Subscribe to the channel for more total body fitness guidance and simple workout strategies. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Comment below and tell me how long you can hold a plank or where you're watching from. And when you're ready, watch the next video on building core strength with simple daily exercises.